Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another practice session with Sapna Singh fluency to learn English speaking skill. And I'm here to motivate you, to inspire you to speak English if you are learner, if you are beginner. Okay, so let's speak English with the help of motivational story. And guys, before starting my story, I would like to remind you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel if you are new on my channel. So today my story is very beautiful and motivational, and I hope that you will enjoy a lot this story, and also you will learn lots of beautiful lesson from my story. So let's start. Actually guys, once upon a time there lived a father and a son in a very small village, and one day they decided to travel to a faraway land with their donkey, and they packed their belonging and set off on their journey. As the journey was so long, so the father let his son sit on the donkey, and while he was walking on the road with them. So when they reached the first town, so people there looked at them and start whispering, and one of them said loudly, like, look at this dishonest and disrespect boy, and this rude boy. Means he was sitting on the donkey while his father was walking on the road in the sun. So he should let his father sit on the donkey. So the father and the son both heard this and felt embarrassed by hearing this. They felt embarrassed, and the son got off the donkey and asked his father to sit on the donkey, to ride the donkey. So now the father sat on the donkey while the son was walking along them on road. So when they reached the second town, so also there people looked at them, stared them, and start whispering, murmuring, and one of them said loudly, like, look at this irresponsible and cruel father. Means he was enjoying the riding and let his son walk in the heat on the road. And usually, means normally, all the parents always try to give comfort to their son, even if they face trouble, they suffer. And this father, means he is enjoying riding, and means he is comforting by giving trouble to his son. So how rude this father is. Like this, the people started talking like this, and the father and son both heard this, and again they felt embarrassed and ashamed. So the father got off the donkey, and now the both father and son means were walking with the donkey on the road. So when they reached the third town, so again people looked at them and laughed at them, and started mocking them, like, look at these foolish travelers. They both have donkey, but they don't use it. So what is the point of having a donkey if they are not using this, if they are not riding this donkey? Like this, they started mocking them. So again the father and the son felt heard this, and felt themselves like stupid and embarrassed also. So now they both decided to sit on the donkey together. So the both father and son, now they both sit on the donkey. After going a few some distance, they both sat on the donkey and started walking on their way. So when they reached the fourth town, so there people also stared at them, and started saying, like, look at these cruel men. They both they both burden this poor donkey with their weight. They should show some um, mercy on for this poor donkey. They both are so cruel. So again the father and son heard this, and they also felt sorry for the donkey this time. So now they decided that they both would get off the donkey, and they both also got off the donkey, and now they started walking with the donkey on the road. So now there's only one option left for them, means they both were thinking that there's only one option left for them to carry the donkey on their back. But again they thought that this would be even more awkward than these. So they both were thinking like this and keep moving forward, keep moving ahead on their way, on the journey. So they saw a monk sitting under a tree outskirt of the village. So they both decided to go to monk and ask for some advice. So they both went to that monk and bow down to him, and they said the whole story to the monk, like, "Oh monk, what to do to make all happy, to make others happy, and to make them satisfied. Means we tried our level best to make all people happy and all people satisfied. Means in our way we met many people, and we tried to make all people satisfied and happy with our work, but we got only disappointment, and we have been only criticized by others, and we have been only mocked by others. So what to do to make people happy?" So at first the monk listened to them, to both patiently, and then he laughed aloud and said that, "Look, my dear friends, don't bother yourself that what people think about you. Just if you really want to be happy in your life, so stop bothering yourself like about others' opinion. Always try to follow your mind and your heart, that what is right and good for you, and do only this. Don't try to make others happy always, because this is the reality of this world, that we can't make all people happy. And when we start doing this, then we find ourselves that we lose ourselves. By always making all people happy, we lose our self, means our real identity. So this is the reality. You can't ever make all people, you can't make all people satisfied, all people happy in your life. So just let them think, because it's the monk explained the father and son that it's people nature to only search a chance, to only search an excuse to criticize others, to mock at others. But it's your responsibility to do your work honestly and to go on right path without caring about others' opinion. And if you do this, only then you can feel happy, and you can feel satisfied. You can make yourself satisfied. So my dear friends, this is my today's story, and I hope you enjoyed this story and also learn a beautiful lesson from this story, because we also know very well that this is the reality of this world, that sometimes we always like waste our time by thinking only how to make all people happy and satisfied. But there are always someone who are not happy and who are not satisfied with you. So you don't need to focus so much only of that thing. If you really want to reach your destination, so you have to choose right way and right path, and just you have to keep moving forward on your right path, and with good ideas, with honesty and dedication. And of course, never try to forget this fact of this world, that you can't make all people happy. Okay, you can make someone happy, but there must be always someone who would not be happy and satisfied. So never bother yourself too much for this. Okay, my dear friends, so let's say bye. I hope that you learned a good lesson from this story, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. So bye bye, take care guys.